discussing if we add, multiply, subtract or divide two irrational number, okay, two irrational number, what is the result? We know that first we check about the irrationals. 2 root 3. We know 2 is a rational number, root 3 is an irrational number. We multiplying 2 into root 3 and a product of rational and irrational, then we know that is a irrational number. 2 root 3 is a irrational number. Plus 5 root 3. 5 root 3 also in irrational number, there is the product of rational and irrational. So we know that how to we add. They have the same irrational, that one is root 3. So it's possible to add 2 root 3 and 5 root 3. Then result is 7 root 3 is irrational. Okay, 7 root 3 we consider as irrational. The next, that means if we add two irrational number, the result is also an irrational. Correct? If we add two irrational number, the result is an irrational number. Then 11 root 7 minus 6 root 7. 11 root 7 is a product of rational and irrational, so it's an irrational number. 6 root 7 is a product of rational and irrational number, so 6 root 7 is a irrational number. Here we subtracting the two irrational, 11 root 7 and 6 root 7, then what is the result? They have the same irrational number root 7, the result is 5 root 7 is irrational. Correct? Is irrational. That means if we subtract two irrational number, the result is irrational. Correct? If we add two irrational number, the result is irrational. If we subtract two irrational, the result is irrational. Okay? Then next we multiply the irrationals. Root 7 into root 3. We know how to multiply root 7 into root 3, correct? Is equal to, we know the result, how to multiply this, which idea we follow here. What is that? Root A into root B is equal to root of A into B. Then how to write this one? Root 7 into root 3 is equal to root A into root B is equal to root of A into B. A into B means 7 into 3. Then what is root of 7 into 3? Root of 7 into 3 is 21. Root 21. Is possible to find the root of 21? No, it's not possible to find the root of 21. So, root 21 is irrational. Correct? Irrational. The next one. Root of 5 into root 6. Root of 5 into root 6. What is root of 5 into root 6? That is root of 6 into 5 is equal to root 30. What is root 30? Is possible to find the square root of root 30? No, it's not possible. So what is this one? Is irrational. Correct? This answer is also irrational. Then it's possible to conclude as like this. Is the product of two irrational numbers is an irrational? Yes? No, it's not possible. My dear, listen here. What is this? We multiply the irrational number root 6 and the rational number root 6. Correct? Irrational number root 6 into irrational number root 6. Then how do we multiply? Root 6, root of 6 into 6. Correct? What is root of 6 into 6? Root of 6 into 6 is equal to 36. What is root of 36? Root of 36 is equal to 6. Root of 36 is equal to 6. 6 is a rational or irrational? 6 is a rational number. Is possible to write in the form of P by Q. 6 by 1. Correct? So 6 is rational. So what is it meaning? It's not possible to conclude the irrational numbers product is an irrational. Okay, then what is that? Is sometimes a irrational number, sometimes is a rational number. The product of two irrational number may be rational or irrational. Okay, the product of two irrational number may be rational or irrational. ചിലപ്പോൾ എന്താകാം റാഷണൽ ആകാം ചിലപ്പോൾ എന്താകാം ഇറാഷണൽ ആകാം. But the addition, the case of addition and subtraction is very clear. The sum of two irrational number is irrational. The difference of two irrational number is irrational. But not in the case of multiplication. The case of multiplication sometime is irrational or sometime is rational. Did you got it? Then one more is there, the division. Then one example, root of 15. Root of 15. Root of 15 is a rational or irrational? Is possible to find the square root of root of 15? Is possible to find the square root of 15? No, it's not possible. If you multiply any number twice, we will not get 15, correct? So it's not possible. Rational number. Then divided by root 3. Root 3 is also an irrational number, correct? So we dividing root 15 by root 3. Then what do you get? How do we multiply? How do we divide? Root of 15 by 3. Root 15 by root 3 is equal to root of 15 by 3. Then it's possible to reduce 15 and 3. Then what do you get? Root 5. Root 5. Root 5 is irrational. Correct? Discussing here one more example. That one is like this: 24 root 3 root 15. 24 root 15 by 2 root 3. 24 root 15 by 2 root 3. Then here we know that 24 is a rational number, root 15 is an irrational number. So 24 into root 15 is an irrational. 2 is a rational number, root 3 is a irrational number, then 2 root 3 is a irrational number, correct? So here how do we divide this? Then for that we write it like this: 24. In this irrational root 15, we checking is as possible to write as a product of any two number. 15 is possible to split as a product of any two number. Yes, is possible to split as a product of 3 and 5. Correct. Why we checking like that? Because the denominator containing root 3. Correct. Then we checking the 15 is possible to convert as a product of 3. Yes, because 15 is bigger one, 3 is the smaller one, correct? So we checking the root number 15. The 15 is possible to write as a product of the smaller number 3. Yes, is possible. We check. Okay, for a divide. Then how to write? 24 into root of 5 into 3 by 2 root 3. Correct? 2 root 3. Then 24 into root of 5 into 3. Root of 5 into 3. Then how to write? What is this form? This is in the form of root of a into b. Root of a into b. Then how to write root of a into b? Root of a into b is equal to root a into root b. Then we write it like this: 24 into root 5 into root 3 by root of a into b is equal to root a into root b. So, okay. Then by 2 root 3. 2 root 3 means 2 into root 3. Now, first we taking the rational number. Is possible to divide by 24 by 2? 24 നെ 2 കൊണ്ട് divide ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റുമോ check ചെയ്യുക. Is possible? Yes, is possible. How many times? 12 times. Correct? Then any common irrational number in the numerator and denominator? Any common? Yes, what is that? root 3. Correct? Root 3. So we cancel root 3, then what do you get? 12 root 5. 12 root 5 is a rational or irrational? Is irrational. Correct? Is irrational. The next, we are doing one more example. Root 5 divided by root 5. Okay? 2 root 5 divided by 2 root 5. Then what do you get? Is equal to 2 root 5 by root 5. Then now is very clear, the numerator and the denominator. 2 root 5 means 2 into root 5. Okay? 2 into root 5 by root 5. So now is very clear, the numerator and denominator have a common factor. What is that? Root 5. So it is possible to cancel. Correct? Then what is the result? What is the result? The result is 2. 2 is rational or irrational? Is rational. Correct? The 2 is rational. That means in this all the cases, first 3 cases we got the answer is root. The division result is irrational. But in the last we got it. What is the result? The result is rational. Then what is it meaning? If we divide two irrational numbers, the result may be rational or irrational. Okay? Then what are the idea, my dear children, please listen. What are the idea we will get from here? The result, if we add or subtract two irrational numbers, the result is always irrational. Okay? If we multiply or divide two irrational, then the result may be rational or irrational. Is some cases is irrational, some cases is rational. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പൊ മക്കളെ ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. എന്താണ്? രണ്ട് ഇറാഷണൽ നമ്പർ തമ്മിൽ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ എപ്പോഴും കിട്ടുന്ന റിസൾട്ട് എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഇറാഷണൽ ആയിരിക്കും. രണ്ട് ഇറാഷണൽ നമ്പർ തമ്മിൽ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ റിസൾട്ട് എപ്പോഴും എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഇറാഷണൽ ആയിരിക്കും. പക്ഷേ നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് ഇറാഷണൽ നമ്പർ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുകയോ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുകയോ ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുന്ന റിസൾട്ട് കോഷ്യന്റ് ഓർ ദ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് അല്ലെ, മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുന്ന പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് അല്ല ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുന്ന കോഷ്യന്റ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? ആൻസേഴ്സുകൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ചിലപ്പോ റാഷണൽ ആകാം, ചിലപ്പോ ഇറാഷണൽ ആകാം. ഇസ് എ വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ഐഡിയ, വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി. വാട്ട് ആർ ദേ? ഇഫ് we add to irrational, the result is irrational. If we subtract to irrational, the result is always irrational. But if we multiply or divide to irrational, the product or quotient sometimes rational, sometimes is irrational. Okay.